I've been procrastinating this morning and I don't know why. It's pretty tough. But now I'm going to the hardware store to get some paint for all the ceilings and the bathroom and some plinths for the bottom of the wall. I don't know how you call them in English. So yeah, gonna do that. Well, it's working. Welcome back to Trauma to Dreams. Battling my trauma every day. Now, I've said yesterday in the video that I'm going to work today, and I was planning on it, but my body just feels really craving for something, and I can't figure out what. My body is draining the sugars that I have because of the complex post-traumatic stress disorder, and I went to the hardware store. I got myself some paint and these things I'm going to do anyway today, and I'm realizing that I need to fight this every day. I need to battle this every day. But it's hard. It's really hard. And I'm not doing the work correctly. I don't feel like it. My body is protesting constantly. This morning I was procrastinating for 2.5 hours, just scrolling and checking out things, how to do stuff, and sometimes it's battling myself constantly for the things that other people did to me once, and yeah, it's hard, but I'm going to continue because I need to get out of this prison, and it's a prison for me because it's gonna be sold. I don't care who lives here, but I need to focus on making it something, and I just want my own home where nobody can intervene in what form or shape, whatever, and just continue my life in peace, you know, because living on this camping is full of stress, because every year you don't know if you're going to stay. So it's imperative that I sell this trailer or caravan or chalet or how you want to call it. And yeah, that's my main goal, my main objective, to sort that thing out. But the body is protesting. You gotta listen to your body, so probably go and take a shower or something and drink some coffee and just unwind, because what I'm doing now, it's not worth it. It's not totally not worth it. So sometimes you gotta zone out just to continue further. Yeah.